Hello students, this is Miss Williams, and today I'm going to be talking to you about etymology, and we're going to be working on Greek roots, which is our topic for this week. So I am going to show you exactly what I want you to do for your word breakdown. Now you are going to be doing this in your vocabulary booklet project as well as the quiz at the end of this week. So when I say word breakdown, for the packet and for the quiz, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, so that you can continue to practice and know what I want you to do. So you are going to have some root charts like this. So I have a few right here just for examples. These are what you're going to have, these charts. So I brought up a few just so you could kind of get a feel for what they are and see the way that the charts are made. So they give you the root right here. They give you the meaning of the root. And then they also give you examples of words that use that root. So I'm going to choose a word. That's the first thing you're going to do. And I'm going to choose the word philosophy right here. So the first thing I'm going to do, that's why we're on a Word document, we are going to write out our word. So I'm going to write philosophy. Okay? Now, I already know from my chart, I see the word right here. That's the Greek word that's in my word, and it means having love for, that philo in philosophy. Alright, so I'm going to now break up the word philosophy into two parts. Now, I'm going to use a highlighter, but you can use a highlighter, or like an actual highlighter, or an underline, a pencil. I'm on the computer, so I'm going to do colors like this. So I'm going to break this up into two parts, so I'm going to color code it. Let's see, I'll do blue. So now I'm going to break up this into two parts. Now, I know from my chart that philo right here means having love for. Now, I also have this blue part, and this blue part comes from the word Sophia, actually, which means wisdom. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a line to show the connection. So I'm going to draw one right there. I'm going to do one more for the blue. Alright, so now I have broken up my words. I've done it color code, so like I said, you can use a highlighter, underline, or circle your different parts. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I wrote a sentence about the etymology of the word. So right here, which etymology just means how we get the meaning of our words and the different word parts. So the term philosophy is taken from the Greek word right there, phileo, meaning to love or to befriend, and Sophia meaning wisdom. Okay, so if we are doing philosophy, we are befriending or loving wisdom. So that's kind of the breakdown of the word part. Now, what you're going to do after that is you're going to actually go online, and you are going to go onto dictionary.com and see I typed in the word philosophy, and I'm going to look up the actual definition. So you're going to take the definition, and you're going to put it right here. Here's my definition, so you can see. Then what I want you to do after, you kind of put it all together and see how the root connects to the actual definition. I want you to write a sentence. So here's my sentence. I am taking a philosophy course in which I think about what it means to be human. Okay, so you probably already have heard the word philosophy, so you can kind of see how we get the love of wisdom, and that how the word parts help give us and explain the definition. Okay, so this is what I want you to do if you're doing a word breakdown with the colors, break down the parts, explain to me the etymology, give me the definition, and then use it in a sentence. So your definition doesn't have to be this long. It can just be one sentence or two. And this is going to go along because you also are going to be doing this booklet. Okay, so this is your project. You're going to get a book like that with these different pages. And you can kind of see already, see here's some prefix. This is a prefix page in your book. We're going to talk about this in class, but you get the same kind of thing, the word part, what it means, and some words with the example. And they have some different parts for where you're going to write sentences and meanings and look through the different things. So that's kind of your chart, but this is going to be the project, so I'm just kind of giving you a little peek at it as we go. But you are going to be using this exact format that I just showed you for word breakdown as well for your quiz. Okay, so this is the important information that you need to know. So go ahead and check out this video if you have a question or you need a review or a refresher on the different word parts and how to read those charts. Alright? So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing your work.